Today, we're going to explore the country known for the cleanest city in the world, Japan.
Japan is famous for its clean streets, but how do they manage this level of cleanliness?
It all starts with a cultural mindset. Respect for public spaces is deeply ingrained. From a young age, Japanese children are taught to clean and maintain their surroundings. Public bins are few, but people carry their trash home instead of littering.
Recycling is highly organized. Everyone sorts their trash meticulously.
Municipal cleaning systems run on strict schedules, ensuring streets are spotless daily.
Business owners and locals take responsibility for cleaning their immediate surroundings.
Parks and public spaces are maintained with community involvement, not just government efforts.
Even in crowded areas, strict social norms prevent littering.
Signage and public campaigns constantly remind citizens of their responsibility.
Community cleanup activities reinforce collective responsibility from a young age.
Even natural elements like rain or wind don't leave trash behind, thanks to discipline.
Urban planning and civic infrastructure are designed to support cleanliness effortlessly.
During crowded events, cooperation and social responsibility keep spaces immaculate.
Japan's cleanliness is not magic. It's a combination of culture, education, infrastructure, and personal responsibility.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.